Hi guys, and welcome back. In this video I'm going to be showing you how I use one of these to replace these. Hope you enjoy. So normally when we do double doors like this on like a larder or on a fridge freezer like we're going to have in this opening here, we'll be using one of these joining bars on there. Now the problem with them is I find that they don't look particularly nice, so I've come up with using the domino to change that. We're going to eradicate using one of these. Okay, so we're going to start off with working on the bottom door. Now as you can see, I've taken it off of the unit and I've got it laying flat on the bench now. It's important to remember that you work from the same face. So this is my inside face, but if you want to do it from the outside, just make sure you do both of them from the outside. Now with the dominoes set onto its tightest slot, I'm going to do a mortise hole in the bottom door. Now I'm going to line it up on the outside edge just to make it nice and simple. We're going to do a plunge. And that's our first hole done. Okay, so I've got the top door now on the bench and I've got the same face up, so we're going to be working on the opposite side, which is going to be this side this time, because you're going to be in the bottom of the door rather than the top of the door. With our dominoes set into our second slightly loosest setting, we're going to do the same mortise on the same side. And there we have it. So we've got a slightly looser slot on this one. And what that's going to allow for is that's going to allow for adjustment on the door still. So tight in the bottom one, but slightly looser in the top one to do that. Okay, so it's time to put the doors back on. So what we're going to do is take our domino and slot it into that bottom slot. That's it, get that in there. And then we can put the top door on. So we're going to do it in the open position because it's going to make life a lot easier for us. But we're going to slot that into the domino slot and then clip our door back on. And like I said, with that slot being slightly open on the top door, it's going to allow for adjustment, so you can move this door independently of this one. We're not going to glue these in because if you want to take the doors off in the future, it's going to make it a lot easier if that's just a floating tenon in there. And there we have it guys, just a quick simple little video for you. Now I know I'm going to get a bit of backlash from people saying, you know, not everyone can afford a domino joint, and I agree, but just a simple little dowel jig would achieve the same thing. I'm just in a very fortunate position that I own a domino, so I can use that for it, so it'll make it a little bit simpler. But yeah, basically all we've achieved really is just replacing one of these horrible straps that go inside. Just on a higher end kitchen, I think it looks a little bit nicer. I will be painting that domino the same colour as the doors. I've got the touch up for it, so just so it looks a little bit nicer, so you don't see the domino in there as much. But to be honest, if you was using one of these, you would see that through the gap in the door anyway. So yeah, that's it really. I'm going to leave it there. I want to thank you guys for watching along. If you want to see more of this sort of stuff, hit that subscribe button, ding that bell, and go back through my other videos. I've got loads of videos at this stage with loads of tips and tricks and all sorts on there. But yeah, I'm going to leave it there. Thanks for watching along, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.